Ever wonder if the seemingly glamorous world of real estate agents is all sunshine and roses? Let's dive into the gritty realities of why I, and many others, sometimes hate being a realtor. First, the income roller coaster is real. 1 month, you're celebrating a huge commission. The next, you're wondering where your next paycheck is coming from. The market is unpredictable, deals fall through, and suddenly, your financial security feels shaky. Then there's the client demands. We're talking late night calls, endless showings, and trying to please people with often conflicting desires. It's a constant balancing act between being a therapist, negotiator, and property expert, all while maintaining a smile. Work-life balance, forget about it. The pressure to be available 24/7 means missing family dinners, sacrificing weekends, and constantly battling burnout. It's a tough job to switch off from when people are buying and selling the most expensive thing they own. And don't even get me started on market pressures, interest rates, inventory shortages, economic downturns. We're constantly navigating a complex landscape that can significantly impact our livelihood and our clients' dreams. So, is it all bad? Absolutely not. Helping families find their dream homes and guiding them through such a huge milestone is incredibly rewarding, but it's important to acknowledge the challenges and prioritize self-care in this demanding profession. Remember to like and subscribe for more real estate realities.